Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, friends. As you know that we are creating the ERP application in Python Django, and we are also creating the document management system. So in that regard, we decided to implement the cyber security rules in our application. So today I will show you how we secure our application and which packages we are using, Python packages for securing, and I will also show you the technicals. So first I will show you the functional. First we can log in. This is our login page, main page, and this is our sign up page. So first we can create new user. Before creating user, I will show you the backend. We have any user. Using the admin user, we are logging one dashboard, and we have no user, only admin user. So we can log out, and first we can create new user using the sign up. Here we can put our username, first name, last name, valid email address, email address which we want to receive the OTP number, valid mobile number including the country code, password must be 8 digit including capital, small letter, special character and numbers. And after that we can select which method we want to receive the OTP number. There are two options: verification method, email, mobile. And this is new feature I added. Before we are actually not saving in our database, but now we are saving in our system in user profile, and we are also able to use the WhatsApp here, but right now I'm using only the two options, email or mobile. If we are using the email, so we need SMTP information of the email set up in our settings.py file. If we are using the mobile, so we need the any SMS service company providing, like I'm using the Twilio, so we can use any other also. So right now I'm using the email. We can submit here. And here is the timer. In an email, we can check our email. We received email. Yes, we received an email, OTP number. This is our email. This is our OTP number, 597265. 597265. User registered successfully. Now we can go back and we can check user is created. Here user is created, and password is also, you see here is hash password, nobody can see the password. And here the verification method is email. If we can change it from here to mobile, so we will receive the SMS on our mobile. So now we can log out. We put here the security layer on two levels, number one on sign up and number second on login. Now we are trying to log in here. Sorry, this one, password. Now again we can check. We receive verification is 629099. 629099. So this is our dashboard. And actually this application, why I created this application, because this is related to accounting. How it is related? Too many companies actually now using, after corona, too many companies are using the remote work, and also before in US and European countries they are using the remote work. So they need the documentation. For example, if I want to create the voucher, I need the voucher, invoices, all the things, na? So they are working remotely, so they need all the things in documents online. So their accountant will see the documents and they will do do all accounting entries online without going to office. So that's why I created, and this is the by user requirement I created this one. So first, here is the client name, and this we can actually, right now I am using the local database for saving the document, but I in last previous video also show you the AWS. We can also use the AWS S3 bucket also for saving all these documents. So but in this video actually I disable the AWS, or just I am saving in my local PC. And here we can select the file, like I will select, this is for example my document, and upload button, and here you see this is uploaded. Another document I will try to upload, this one, this will also upload. Now here this is action, do you want to download, it will download. If you want to show document, I will press here, it will show. I want to download, so it will download here. You see, it will be downloaded in the folder like this. This is simple application. And for example, what implementation I did on this, I did only two implementations, two packages I am using, pyotp and Django Autologout. pyotp, before we are using the OTP using the random numbers, na? But there is a package, Python package for generating the OTP with secret key. So I am using this one now for generating the pyotp. And Django Autologout is using, for example, if somebody user is logging like this and he forget to log out, so it will automatically log out from here after few minutes, which we can define in our settings.py file. Automatically log out, I will show you. Now it is login here, na? I show you what is the logout timing here. I put, just I reduce, na, for showing you this one. 3 minutes. So up to 3 minutes I will not using this. I am just going any other place. I will show you the code, other things, and we can see what will happen. For Django Autologout, now what settings we have to do. In the meantime, I will show you. First we have to install the Django Autologout like this. We install Django Autologout. This package we can install. After that, there are some settings. First setting in middleware we have to define auto Django logout. Third setting, we have to define the template. In our template, context processor auto logout client. This is actually setting given by the Django Autologout company package. This setting we have to put here, and in last this, you see, all I disable AWS, so it is saving in a local. Otherwise we can put here the token and other things, so it will save in AWS as the S3 bucket. And here we can provide the email, SMTP, port, email, user, password, and TLS is true. Here is the auto logout setting. If the user is not using the application, in 3 minutes automatically log out, and this message will be sent: the session has expired, please log in again. And in which template this message which show which we want to use na, in template we can show this is our main template, dashboard template na. So here we can this variable we have to put here, redirect to login immediately, from dashboard to redirect to login immediately. Now we can see 3 minutes finish, it is logout. No, still it is not logout, maybe some issue. Okay, I will check, no problem. I will now I disable this one because it was when I click here na, it means it is not idle. Now I am going to choose any other like this one, and I go downside, and we can see after 3 minutes. In the meantime, I will show you the pyotp package. This is pyotp package given by Python. We can see the document here. First we have to install pyotp using this pip install pyotp. Then after that we are generating the key, secret key, and here is not defined. We can also define the timer, and we can verify using this. I show you here the code. We can connect to Python, import pyotp I have already here saved, I think. Yes, this one. Copy. Instead of writing, I will reduce the timing just for showing you. 40 seconds. Interval is equal to 40 seconds. TOTP is equal to pyotp.totp, and this Python OTP random 32 base. This is actually using for creating the random key, secret key. And how much for this secret key is actually valid up to 40 seconds. For more detail about this, we have to follow the document. So now I can see what is the OTP. OTP.now command, actually it is showing the OTP. We can also save in variable. This is OTP. We can verify TOTP dot verify 365204. I will again create now verify 774705. True. 40 seconds after it will expire. So just I have to wait for 40 seconds because I don't have timer here. I was trying to install the timer to show you, but now you can try again. It is false. So how much time will be finished? So what is our logic? I show you for pyotp. First we are creating the OTP, this 120 seconds for 2 minutes. OTP now, we can see the OTP, and from date and time, right, what is the time now, plus delta time, from time delta 2 minutes I will add here. For example, now my time is, for example, 11 minutes and 20 seconds. So 2 minutes will be added to it and valid until I will save it, transform to date and time to from ISO format, and after that I will just using this command strf time minutes and second. I will save in my variable, and I will check if valid time greater than now time, when we are going user is going to input that time. In that if time is valid time is greater than given time by user, what time he is going to give the input, then it will go inside and check the secret key. If it is true, then allow him to log in or sign up. This is our logic. I will also show you. Now you see here, after 3 minutes automatically the session has expired. We log in again because this is Django Autologout. But first, why it was not logging? Because it was not idle. I was here in this key. So this is the all functional thing I show you. A technical also I show you here. I will show you the code in for other things I show you now. Validations. First we are going to send, we are creating here, this is secret key giving for sending SMS. I am using the Twilio. First we are generating the OTP, then we are saving the OTP, we are saving it secret key in session, and validate date also we are saving in OTP validate date, and we are sending by using this SMS to client mobile number, or we are going to use this as email. We are sending using the send mail command to the user. Then we are coming here, if user is sign up, user is doing a sign up, no? This sign up, user sign up. Then here from it is redirecting to verification. We can see what is the path of verification. This view OCB verification. So we can go here, verification path. This is verification. What it is doing, it is getting the from cookie, it is getting the secret key, validate date, and it is checking. If it is not none, then it is taking, it is invalid until time minutes seconds. It is taking and checking. If user enter what time user is going to enter the secret key, it is, if it is valid, then it will go to verify. If it is secret key is verify, then insert the data in user and delete the cookies and redirect to login with message user successfully registered. Else error, invalid OTP number, please try again. OTP number expired due to time limit. OTP number expired due to security reason. I will show you the validation also, and same command I put in the login also here. Same verification in login, user login also. What it is doing, it is sending the message, and in verification, user verification, it is checking the authentication, and it is going to dashboard file upload. So now I will show you the other things. Validation, for example, I created one user now. And I am going to put invalid password, so it will give you the error. Please enter valid email username and password. But okay, then now this is timer. I will show you later also this one now. I received the verification code, but now I am going to put invalid verification code. So it will show invalid OTP number, please try again. Now again I am trying. I am showing the validations now. Now here again I received the OTP, you see 680940, but I am going to left it. Time left. I will not enter. I will see what is going to happen. This front end I created JavaScript here for showing the timer. I will show you the code also now. Just time will finish, then I will show you. Now you understand here. We understand how we are actually validating the OTP. In the meantime, I show you the Django Autologout. This is Django Autologout document. First we can install here pip install Django Autologout. Then we can add in here middleware. All things are written here. Then Autologout idle time 600 seconds, 10 minutes, 600 minutes. Or we can also define using the time delta. We have to import the time delta and minutes is equal to 10 and redirect to login immediately after the ID time has expired. This parameter we have also defined true. And this setting, this required a client side script, so you can modify your context procedure in settings.py. Add this to implement will add a direct script to your HTML. This one. If you want to use a JavaScript code, other settings also there is session time. Session time and idle time. Any session time means, for example, if even I am login, I am working, automatically it will log out. And in idle, I am not working, just I am not using in this tab, so it will log out. So you see 46 seconds still remain. And this is message. This message, any message we can put here, which I show you here. Message session expire, and it will show in our template. So this is very simple Django Autologout. And pyotp, they also show here the example. There are two types. TOTP means time based OTP, and this is counter based OTP, HOTP. So I am using the time based OTP. Here what they did, import pyotp time, and first they create one OTP 4920398 and verify it is true. Time sleep means 30 seconds to sleep time, and it will stuck. It will stop the timer, and then again they will see here it is false. So this is just for showing the example, otherwise we are using the same thing which I will show you. Now 12 seconds remain. What will happen I will show you. This time we can also reduce, but now I didn't change anything, just for showing the example. Now it will show the message. This is just what I am showing now, and it will redirect to page. I put here the page, redirect page now. In my HTML. Any page, just I put here for this one. So like if I will put here any page like this, login, so it will go here. This is JavaScript written in function for just showing the alert, time logout, and timer 120 30 second. Na? Any setting time we can put here 30 second for how much time you want to show. We can also take the parameter from Django backend from here. For example, if we want to here input, na, we can create one ID, and we can also take from ID get element but ID, and we can take here the timing cycle which we are showing in the backend. So thank you very much for watching this video, and inshallah I will try to finish the other things also which we are creating the ERP application, easy accounting. So then there is a client customer profile and invoice and payments, and also advice, sales advice and receivables. All these things we have to start. So thank you very much for giving your time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.